back again with another RX-7 video. Same clothes. Same day. So yeah, courtesy of Roy Clark from FD UK, FDOC now, of recommending these headlamps. So we're gonna install those tonight. Came with a premium Apple iPhone box. But yeah, paid quite expensive for these. Hopefully they're better than the cheaper ones. Here's what they look like. Let me just show you guys. Comes with this nice box. They're Philips, I believe. Turn this down. Yeah. Comes with this nice box. Luckily I bought these on Black Friday, so had a little discount. And here they are. Hopefully it's just plug and play, but we shall see. H4s.
Well, the H4 fits on MX5, you know.
What did you say?
So they fit on MX5, you know.
Yeah, no. Right, this is the before, the OEM headlights. They're like this. So on a country B road, that's all I see. Let's hopefully after the install it'll be a lot brighter. Alright, cool. To install the headlights, 4 screws. Take those out first. Up carefully, and then the next part, if you come around, there's 1, 2 and 2 on the back. You want to loosen those, but you don't want to take them out, because otherwise you have to readjust the whole thing. So we're going to take those out. I believe that's an 8 and that's a 10. Yeah, and the 2 back are 10s as well. Conveniently got an 8 in my pocket. Once that's down, because my cluster isn't in, I'm not able to press the button and make it the pop-up go down, so I'm going to have to manually do it. There's a little screw here, the motor thing. Just tighten it so it goes down. Alright, cool. If you look inside, there's a 10 here, 10 here, right here, and right here. That's not a 10. It's an 8. They're both 8s. This is fucking weird. So, what size were they? 8. Very cool. So 2 8s. It just pops off. This plug, unplug it. Just like that. There's 2 clips on the side, just squeeze there. Pretty simple. And then the rubber grommet, or the rubber seal, you want to rip off. As you saw earlier, I was struggling with the rubber, but we found out that this rubber is actually different and it doesn't have a holder for us to use, so we're going to have to take the rubber out and then modify it. But to get the rubber out, there's a clip here, this metal clip, push out and then get the bulb out. Halfords. Oh, this rubber's a lot thicker. Yeah, this rubber's a lot thicker. The Phillips one, this is the Phillips one, the new one. This plastic thing, well, it's actually metal thing. It's actually too big for it, so it doesn't really fit properly. So we'll have to take it off. Okay, well, I'll show you why it doesn't fit. As you can see here, the housing part is protruding too much, so we'll have to take it off. There we go. Unplug it. Put these safe. Now all we're left with is this. We're going to mount it first and then put a clip in, put a rubber in and then plug it in. So you can see here the flat bit that goes at the bottom. Yeah. Put the metal clip back in. There we go, mounted.
Explain what you did to the thicker piece of rubber.
Literally use a sharp flathead, poked around it and then pulled the inside out, sorry. And now we'll get this back on. Alright, so the rubber, we finally got it in. Lots of wiggling. Had to take out some release. Untighten this one so then we had more space. But yeah, that rubber's finally in. So plug the ballast in and now we're going to zip tie it. There's a space in here. That little circle. But yeah, there's these mount holes here. Coming. So it's mounted there. And then that's not going to go anywhere, hopefully. Tighten it out. Last piece, you want to slide this in like this first, and then like so. do the corners first. Well, the bottom. So, look. What just happened?
Fuck the bolt.
Fuck the bolt. I couldn't find it. Just buy a new one.
Okay.
So yeah, that's done. I see a before and after shot. The magic of editing. You'll see it now. Here's the after shot. So much brighter. Whiter as well. Doesn't look so 90s. But yeah, I think it'll make a big difference on the road. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, we'll get more RX-7 videos. Okay, so this is after the light install. Thanks to Roy Clark, man. These headlights are so good. Yeah, probably can't see it on the camera so much, but they're really good. They're a lot better than my old ones. It's a high beam. It really doesn't do it justice, but it's actually really good.